Hey guys, I'm Aryan Win and I'm gonna unbox old Razer bracelet, and this produces in 2050 and it's limited edition, so let's go. I have no idea if it works or no, because a store staff told me if it doesn't work we cannot refund it for you, and it's bad. Anyway, let's go. Okay, that's kind of weird, but I think that's cool. Razer sticker. Notes. Wow, see the charging cable. It's so old. Okay, let's see if it works or no. Oh, look, it's working. That's cool. Oh my god, I didn't expect it's working, because if you see the charger, you can see a little cracking here. But it doesn't matter, it's working. Okay guys, we are done. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe the channel if you want to, and bye!